Today, I am going to make a hot red velvet latte. Beautiful in pink, perfect for Valentine's Day. So stay tuned until the end of this video clip. Okay, let's find out how to make this deliciously looking red velvet latte. For this, I'm going to use the coffee beans courtesy of Coffee Lab from Trenčín in Slovakia. And for the red velvet, I'm going to use my mix here, which is actually a combination of chocolate, cocoa powder, and also some beetroot powder. And it's slightly sweetened, so if you're making it hot, I would suggest that you don't put any more sweetener. For this, I'm going to use dairy milk, regular fresh milk. You can use any milk of your choice. So first, let's pull our espresso shots. So I'm going to use 20 grams of coffee beans in, and I'm going to pull about 40 grams of espressos, double shot for this 10-ounce cup. Now that I have my beautiful shots of espresso here, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of my red velvet powder. 1 tablespoon and not 1 scoop. That's equal to about 3 teaspoons. Stir to completely dissolve your red velvet powder in your hot espresso. It should be quite easy because the espresso is really very hot. Make sure it's fully dissolved. Now to steam the milk. And pour the milk into your red velvet mix. And you have this deliciously looking red velvet latte, perfect for the Valentine's Day season. Okay, now it is time for the moment of truth. How is it going to taste like? Absolutely exquisite. Well, first, the look, 100%. It is perfectly red. In my pink cup, can it get any cuter or more gorgeous than this? Well, how does it taste like? You have seen dark chocolate mocha, you have seen white chocolate mocha. This is kind of like a red mocha. Red velvet with espresso shots, and the taste is chocolatey, and of course that strong taste of this beautiful coffee from Coffee Lab. That's all I would like to share with you today. So now you have 2 recipes. One is hot for red velvet latte, and another one is the iced red velvet latte. So do give these recipes a try. And if you cannot find a red velvet mix like the one I have here, you can also mix some chocolate powder or cocoa powder with beetroot powder. Make sure you get the 100% beetroot powder to get that beautiful red color. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment below. I'll see you again for more of these video clips. In the meantime, take care, stay safe. See you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.